Hi guys, welcome back to the last and final video for iGel beauty swatches. This is the final one. I have no more powder, so I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to start off with this one. Remember, just shake it first. And this one is called Winter White. If you like that milky white look, this is the one for you. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the container. White, because of course it's white. And so then we're going to go ahead and move on to swatching. And like I said, it's a milky white, kind of well, not too transparent, but you'll see. Well, you can't really see it because it's on a white napkin, but I'll lift it up for you guys to see. Alright, so that is what that looks like, and once again it's Double D 164 Winter White. Now moving on to the next one, Double D 208 High Drama. And this is like a bright pink. And we're going to go ahead and swatch it to see what it looks like on paper. And it's a very pretty bright pink color, perfect for summer if you just like loud colors. This one's the one for you. And again, it's High Drama Double D 208. All right, moving on to the next color, Double D 184 Buttercup. And I actually think I like this color. It was a really light yellow. All right, and that's what it looks like. So yep, this was one of my favorite colors. Very pretty, very light. And that was Double D 184 Buttercup. All right, moving on to the next one, Double D 232 Love Affair. And this is a shimmer color. And what I just noticed is at the bottom of the containers, it either has shimmer or glitter, so you can separate your powders if you like. And this is a pretty color. It kind of looks like a rose gold kind of with some shimmer, so I liked it. So that was Double D 232 Love Affair. On to the next color, Double D 215 Sweet Talk, and this is another shimmer. And that's what it looks like in the container. You can't really tell that it has shimmer, but you will once you swatch it. And that's what it looks like, a really pretty color. And on to the next one, Double D 172 Cozy Kashmir. And I actually love this color. It was a really pretty nude color. So that's what that looks like. Bring it up a little bit closer so you guys can see. And that was Double D 172 Cozy Kashmir. You can use this for like a cover too. All right, on to the next color, Fuzzy Wuzzy Double D 245. And I actually thought it was going to turn out blue because it kind of looked blue to me, but it's actually like a grayish color, which is actually really pretty. And that was Double D 245 Fuzzy Wuzzy. On to the next color, Double D 175 Piglet. And I actually love this color too. I mean, not only is the name cute, but it's a really pretty color. Also nude. So that's what that looks like. See, very pretty. That was Piglet Double D 175. Next color, Wanderlust, which is a glitter, Double D 240. This one, I mean, it was okay to me. I didn't really care for this brown with the glitter. And that was Double D 240 Wonderlust, and that was the glitter. Alright, moving on to the next color, Honeydew Double D 183. And I actually like this color as well. It was a very pretty, not mint green, but a little bit lighter. So I also liked it. The color of Honeydew goes with its name. And I just doubled up here because I don't think my first bead was like showed enough. And that's what it looks like up close and personal. Very pretty color. And that was Double D 183 Honeydew. Alright, next color, Double D 170 Nude Bar. And again, it's another nude color, but very pretty. A lot of nude colors that I did today, but they were all very pretty. That was Double D 170 Nude Bar. Next color, Double D 214 Doll Face, and this one is a glitter. Sometimes I'm a fan of glitter colors, other times I'm not, so it just depends. But this one was pretty. That was Double D 214 Doll Face. Next one, Double D 233 Señorita. And this was a pretty pink color. I liked it. It's darker, not so bright. So I really like this one. That was Double D 233 Señorita. Next color, Double D 211 Flat Out Fabulous, and this is another glitter. So this one's more on the orangey pinkish side. So Double D 211 Flat Out Fabulous, and that was that one. On to the next one, Double D 222 Tell Me About It, and this is the shimmer. And I like the blue color. I just really, the shimmer, well, you can't really tell the shimmer, but it's a pretty blue. Well, you can see a little bit of the shimmer. It's actually pretty. And that was Double D 222 Tell Me About It. Alright, so the next color, Double D 210 Girl Talk, and this is another glitter. And this one's pretty. It's a bright pink, again with some glitter in it. That was Double D 210 Girl Talk. Next color, Double D 166 Heaven Sent. So this was more of a sheer pink, which is nice. I liked it. And that was Double D 166 Heaven Sent. Next color, Double D 218 What's Your Purpose? So this is a purple color, very dark purple, but it's nice. Double D 218 What's Your Purpose? Next, Double D 193 Sea Crystal, and this is another glitter. Again, that was Double D 193 Sea Crystal. All right, moving on, Double D 195 Alluring Amethyst. I don't know, I don't think I pronounced that right, but this was a really pretty purple. And of course, purple being my favorite, this is added to my favorite list. And that was Double D 195 Alluring Amethyst. I tried, guys. Next, Double D 179 Brown Sugar, and this is a shimmer color. I actually like this one. It was a pretty brown, and I like the shimmer in it. That's Double D 179 Brown Sugar. Next one, Double D 174 Pinky Promise, and this one also has shimmer. And this one was pretty too. Kinda looks like the Piglet one, but this one has shimmer. Double D 174 Pinky Promise. And I'm bringing it up so you guys can see up close what we have so far. So far I'm liking like the nude colors right now. Next, I actually didn't show you guys, but this is winter, what's it called? Snow Day, Double D 163, and this is a glitter one. Next one, Double D 169, I'm Soy Into You. So here we have another nude. So you guys decide what nude color you guys like. And that was Double D 169, I'm Soy Into You. Next one, Double D 213 Legally Blonde, and this is another shimmer. And that was Double D 213 Legally Blonde. Next one, Double D 200 Purple Rain. Purple rain, purple rain. All right, so yeah, it's just purple. This was Double D 200 Purple Rain. Next one, Double D 217 Don't You Lilac Me. And this one I loved. I like these kind of purples, like plums, light purples. This was pretty. That was Double D 217 Don't You Lilac Me. All right, moving on to the next one, Double D 171 Radiance, I believe that was. And this one is like a nude color with some shimmer. Very pretty, actually. That was Double D 171 Radiance. Next one, Double D 178 Satin Ribbon. Another nudie color, very pretty, Double D 178 Satin Ribbon. Next one, Double D 160 Disco Ball, and I believe this one is a glitter. And yes, it is. I like this one, very shiny. That was Double D 160 Disco Ball. Next one, Double D 194 Capri. And I think this was actually a very pretty blue. I liked it. With the kind of like a purple tint. I don't know, but I like it. Double D 194 Capri. That's what that was. Next one, Double D 221 Something Blue, and this one has shimmer. That was Double D 221 Something Blue. Next one, Double D 237 Lavishing Love, and this one's a glitter. Again, that one was Double D 237 Lavishing Love. And the next one, this one I actually loved. It was really pretty. And of course I didn't show the name, but I will show you guys after. It's just a very deep color and I loved it. And it's called Double D 238 Scarlet Letter. All right, next one is Double D 212 Bombshell. Another pink color. No shimmer, no glitter. Double D 212 Bombshell. Alright guys, so that is it. No more colors for me. Let me know what you guys think. This is a full collection of 88 colors and not the 200 that I thought I was getting. It was only 88. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the very last one. I hope it helps you guys and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.